Hey, I'm Daylern, and before taking self-offense's personal protection workshop, I always help friendly and polite strangers, especially if they were cute. What's the harm, right? During this workshop, I noticed that this was potentially dangerous because I didn't know the type of situations I was possibly getting myself into, or the type of people they were behind the nice and polite faces they wore. You can't judge a cute person by their cuteness alone, which is so hard because they're so cute. In the self-offense workshop, they gave me some useful and easy to understand tools on how to identify if I could trust someone or if it would be safe to help them. One thing I've learned is if a person keeps insisting even after you've said no or anything that communicates to no, then they may have an ulterior motive or probably want something that they aren't being completely honest about. I learned that one way I can find out if they're a safe bet is by testing them with my no and seeing how they react. If they keep insisting, or if they get rude, or even if they're just not listening, then that's probably a pretty good sign that you don't want to continue to interact with them. The best part? You can always change your mind. If a person listens to my no, I can always change my mind and continue to help them anyways. If you want to learn tools like these that will help you protect yourself without having to be closed off from people, do self-offense.